I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Tutor LMS for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Now click Connect for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the respective action as you want. Select the respective course as you want. There is no user map option, so you must submit the form from the user login. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to your course page. Here I have logged in the user. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Go to the course page and check. The course is successfully enrolled. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Thanks for watching.